Hey guys, are you stuck at home wishing you had started that online business that you thought about or someone talked to you about it, but you said, nah, I'll stick with my job because it's safe? Um, well, it's not working out for everybody now. So if this is something that you're thinking about, you would like a way to make money online. And I'm not necessarily talking about a network marketing MLM company. There are lots of ways that you can make money online with your computer, with your phone. I actually have partnered up with a lady that is a wealth of information with these things, and she's been doing it for years and years. And as a lot of you know, I have been an entrepreneur for years and years too. Um, and I'm really digging in deep now, but I'm really wanting to help those that are looking to bring in an income now during this time in our lives. We will get past this and we'll be stronger and better for it. But look, if you're looking um, to do something online, shoot me a message and I can shoot you an application that you can fill out so I can see which way will be best for you and to see if it would be a fit for us to work together. Hey, it'll take you just probably just 3 minutes to fill it out and you can get it back with me and then we can go from there. Guys, look, make this the best day you've had in a long time. Um, Everybody's stressing out, but I want to just take this second just to say we know the end and we are so very blessed. Guys, take this time to come to know yourself, get closer with God and your family, and just have a good time. I love you guys. And just remember, look good, feel good, and enjoy life. Shoot me a message and I'll talk with you soon.